Hey guys, what up? Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the flip house, the project house, where we're at. It's been a couple of weeks since you guys have seen any new videos from here, but I'm just gonna walk you guys through so you guys can see where we're at, what we're doing, and how it's coming along. So stick around. Alright guys, alright, so this is our living room. We've got all the drywall done, ceilings done, painted, trim up at the top, painted. We got the fireplace. It's an electric fireplace insert, so we got that, it fits, and I just still got some panels to put on the bottom, on the top, and the top piece on the trim work. So I started that video, haven't finished it. And again, all this back here, we've got the first bedroom. So it's been skin coated, textured, and primered. And now we are second room as well. So we're starting the regular paint. Our bathroom. Alright, we got our can lights in. These look a lot yellower than they really are just because we have the paper around them so they wouldn't get dirty when we textured. We took all the doorknobs off, got all the trim in. Got the toilet in because we need it. Got that open for the vents. Kind of fixed a little bit of drywall right there on the sides. Alright, that's that. Alright, so what I've been working on right now today, I've been working on the kitchen. And the back room so that we can move everything from the other rooms in the front back here. So this is our kitchen. We went with a dark, it's like a grayish. It looks different right now because of just the lighting, but it looks a lot yellower with the paper on the lights. But all our can lights are in, ceilings textured, primered, and we've got the board and batten wall done, and we started the painting back here. I'm going to finish this up today so that I can move everything back here tomorrow and work on the rest over there. We got these cabinets painted, drying. So yeah, that's where we're at on the inside. We've got the laundry room. It's kind of got a mud room right there where they can sit, some storage. This cabinet's gonna go right here. We had a ice storm, so we haven't been able to do any plumbing. It's been frozen until today. But these are gonna be moved. We're gonna add a sink right here. That's gonna go right here. And then you'll have your space for your washer and your dryer over there. But everything's textured. But yeah, I've been spraying cabinets today. I've been painting the board and batten wall and just finishing prepping everything. And so hopefully by tomorrow I'll be done with the walls and be starting on the trim and doors, finishing that up by hopefully by Wednesday, or by, no, tomorrow is Wednesday, by Thursday hopefully, and we'll be ready to start on the floors after that. Remember guys, if you like the video, if you want to see more videos like that, like this, more projects, DIY projects, maintenance tips, hit that like, that subscribe down below. It is free and it just lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. So thank you guys for checking out the videos, and I really appreciate you guys.